What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can literally copy and paste these silly little YouTube Shorts videos and put them on the brand new Shorts platform here that's absolutely going crazy, where people are getting hundreds and thousands and even millions of views. Not to mention, right here, these people are making hundreds or thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars a month with these silly little videos. And then I'm going to show you how we can take a design over here and put it on clothing right here and upload it and start making money from those viewers from our YouTube Shorts videos. But the best part is I'm going to show you exactly how to do all of this step by step, and you can do it without even showing your face or making the videos yourself. So if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube Shorts, make sure you keep watching. Alright, so like I said in the intro, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with YouTube Shorts. And the first step is just going over to YouTube, typing in hashtag shorts, but also putting a plus button here. Alright, then you want to pick your niche. And we're going to do the baby niche. I feel like it's not that popular. You know what I mean? Like, it's getting a lot of views, but there's not a ton of channels doing this. So it's definitely a great niche with low competition right now. So this mischievous baby is the channel I found that is a great channel to use as inspiration. But before we get started, I just want to say, because on these YouTube Shorts videos I always get people in the comments saying, oh, you can't monetize YouTube Shorts. But that's just not true. Like, not only can you make some ad revenue from it, from the people watching it on their computer and not their cell phone, but YouTube actually has a YouTube Shorts fund, and this is from their official blog, and they have a $100 million fund that they're distributing over the next year or two. But also, like I said in the intro, we're going to be doing an additional method to make even more money. So that's not an issue at all. And the monetization method we're using is print on demand, and we're doing it on Redbubble.com. And all we have to do is create a simple design, which I'll show you how to do, upload it, and we can put it on whatever pieces of clothing, masks, whatever we want. And then all we do is link it on our video and people can buy it, and the company ships it out and we keep the profit. So you literally don't need to invest any money at all, which is super dope. But before we actually create the designs, I think I just want to show you how to download a video and the steps we're gonna take. So let's just go over back to this video right here with 3 million views. So it's a popular video, and you don't want to just take their entire video. You can just take a couple videos from different channels or go to Instagram, TikTok, and then just download them there. I'm just gonna use this as an example. So let's download this video right here. So let's take this URL, and then we'll go to yt1s.com, paste it in there and convert it, and then just get the link and download it. Now, the website we're going to be using is Canva, and this is how we're going to create the video and create the designs for the shirt. So we'll start with doing the video real quick, and I'll show you what we got to do. Okay, so just go to Canva and then go to mobile videos right here and create a blank mobile video. Now you take the video we downloaded, drop it right there, and then add, you see it's right here, and then you add it, pause it, and then you just make it bigger like that. Okay, now it's the full size, right? Now, really quick, I want to show you a couple things. Okay, so this right here is the whole video. You would obviously, like I said, not want to take the whole thing, so just cut out a clip you like. So let's just go to this one. All right, so that's 10 seconds. You can hit play. That, honestly, that would be cute to just start with that. Let's go right there. That's always a good attention grabber, something really cute or funny. Now, this isn't gonna be the whole video, but what you would do is you would wanna add a page, and then again, you would go to uploads, you would take the next video, and then you would drag it to that page and do the same thing, right? So then you would go, let's go right there. Let's have one without text on it though. And then you'd go to the end right here and drag it right there. So there you go. That's just an example. You wouldn't want to use someone's entire video, but that's 14 seconds. The maximum is 60 seconds. The next part is very important. We're going to come back to this, but what you want to do is you want to go back to Canva and you want to type in t-shirts, okay? Now, the most common person watching these funny baby videos are probably going to be parents. So you either want to make a shirt for the parent or a shirt for the baby. And let's do just for the baby, just for example. So let's just type in baby in the templates and Mama's Sunshine. Perfect. So that's good. I'm just using that for example. If you want to find popular shirts, you can go to like Amazon and look at their shirts and see ones with high reviews, because that's going to be popular shirts, and make a similar shirt. It's that simple. You can do the same with Redbubble. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to download right here and hit PNG. If you have a free account, you can't do transparent, but if you have the paid plan or a free trial for the paid plan, you can. This is only going to matter if you're doing it on a colored shirt, because you wouldn't want a white background on a black shirt. You know what I mean? So if you do want to do this, I would suggest getting a free trial to Canva. I'll link it down below. You don't have to though. Just, I wanted to explain that real quick. So I'll download that. And now you would want to go to Redbubble, and I'll put a link down below for that. But what you want to do is after you've created your account, you want to go to sell your art, add new work right here, and then upload new work. And there's what we just added. So we'll call it Mama's Sunshine t-shirt. And then you could add some tags like baby shirt. Separate tags with commas. Baby shirt, mama's girl, daughter, something like that. It said adds 15, but whatever. And then description, you could say this is the perfect shirt for your daughter or son. All right, so right when you get here, a lot of stuff is gonna be enabled, like, you know, phone cases, all that. I disabled all of that because it wouldn't make sense for this design. And then you go to standard print clothing and hit edit. And then you go right here to the availability right here, or whatever it's called. I think it's availability. Go to kids clothes, all right? Let's just save it. I have the right to sell. No, it's not mature. Save work. All right, so yeah, so they did add the baby t-shirt, kids t-shirt, and the long sleeve and short sleeve baby one piece. So now what you want to do is you hit these little 3 dots and you can go to view product page, and this is like where people would buy it. So you would just take the link to this, and that link is what you're going to use to add in later. The first thing I would do is I would go over to bit.ly.com and I would shorten this link. So you just paste in the link right there, because look at how long that is. That's a little silly. Okay, now you shorten it and you have this nice little short link. Now, if we open up a new tab and we enter in this short link right here, it takes us to the Mama's Sunshine t-shirt baby one piece. And then if someone orders this, we make a profit. But we're not done yet. This next part is the most important part. So I'm just gonna leave this link right here because we're gonna use that when we upload the video. But now this website absolutely is gonna make so much more money by doing this one simple thing. And it's called PlaceIt by Envato, okay? So I'll leave a link to this down below as well. But there's some cool stuff you can do here. Not only do they have videos where if you upload your image, it puts it right on their shirt, like literally, so it looks like you recorded these people. Now, it wouldn't make sense for like an adult to wear a baby onesie, but we can go right here and type in baby, even baby onesie, right? And look at that. So you see what happens? You see, you mouse over it and you can put your shirt on them. And they even have free ones. They're not gonna be as good as the paid ones, but they got some cute ones here too. See, that's like a perfect one right there if you had a matching one for the mom, just for example purposes. Let's find one that's like more vertical. Cute. All right, let's do that one. Now what you want to do is you want to upload the image that we created, the design. So we'll go to insert image, upload from your device, and here it is, the untitled design. I should have made the design a little bigger, but let's keep it like that. Hit crop, and there you go. So it's right on there. And you can also add text up here. If you wanted to, you could say like, buy my new Mama's Sunshine shirt, but you can also do that in Canva, which I'll show you. But we'll just do it right here, for example, just because it's one less step. Let's say, Mama's Sunshine onesie now available. Link in pinned comment. Oh, that's all we can add. So there is a limit, but you can add another text. So let's do this like that. You probably want it to be another color, like, let's do it like that, and then the text color to be black. Mama's Sunshine now available, and then add another text, link in pinned comment below. And then we'll do that right there, make it a little smaller. There you go. Oh, you can also change the color of the onesie. That's cool. So it's a super dope website, and I highly suggest getting an account to PlaceIt. This will change the game for you. It's so much better than just uploading a picture of the onesie itself, because it's actually on the baby. People can envision it, and then they'll actually want to buy it. All right, so I'm just gonna save the image. It's gonna have the PlaceIt watermark on it. That is copyright infringement. Do not do that, okay? Make sure you use a free one. I didn't realize it wasn't free. As you can see, if I open this up right here, it has the PlaceIt watermark over there, okay? But I just wanted to show you this as example. So now what you do is you go back over to the video, and you're gonna add another page, and then you're gonna go to upload, and then upload media, and add that image. And it might not be the exact size we want it to be. Here, make this a little smaller. Honestly, what I would suggest doing is probably just like cutting off the text and doing it in Canva. So you could literally take like some elements here. I'm just gonna cover it up right there. But then you just add some text, and then go like this: Mama's Sunshine onesie now available, link in pinned comment. So we just gotta make it a little smaller, something like that. You can then use your arrows to get it in the exact spot, but that's perfect. All right, so it's a little easier to just do it in Canva, as you can see, because the size of the mockup on PlaceIt is not gonna be the exact size you want it to be. But again, do not use the watermarked piece. You can get in a lot of trouble for copyright infringement. I'm just not actually uploading this video. So if we go back here, the last thing you could do is you can click on the image, and you can actually animate it so it does look like a video a little bit. So you can do like something like this, or photo zoom. I don't know, let's do like, yeah, that one, breathe is good. I like that one. All right, and you could add some audio right here. You would just drag it on there and then do it like that. But there's already audio on one of the clips, so we'll just leave it off for now. And then you just hit download right here, MP4 video, make sure it's all pages, and then hit download. All right, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. And then I'll show you the end. Here you go. That looks so cool. It looks a little silly at the end because it showed the text on like right at the start. You can see it's kind of cut off. So again, just make sure you're not adding the text in PlaceIt. It's cool that you can do it. If you do it, make sure it's small enough where if you have to make the image bigger in Canva, it won't get cut off. Or just add it like I did in Canva like that, because it's super easy as well. And it looks like it's a legit model. So it really makes your brand and your channel look so much better than the others that are kind of just half-assing it, if you know what I mean. Now what you want to do is you want to go over to your channel. I just created a test one. This one's called Baby World. If you're struggling to come up with video ideas, just know that you can do this for any niche, by the way. You don't have to do the baby niche. There's tons of mockups on PlaceIt, many more that aren't for just babies. But when it comes to coming up with a name for your channel, I used businessnamegenerator.com, and I literally typed in baby, all right? And you see right there, Baby World. And you can go right here to names. You can have it go after, so it would be like a word and then baby. You can have it rhyme, and yeah. Now what you want to do is you want to go right here and upload video, and then we drag our video right here. And let's go back to Mischievous Baby and see what they're kind of titling their babies. So funny confused baby, cute video, TikTok number 64. Okay, interesting. So they're getting their videos from TikTok. One tip, if you're downloading videos from TikTok, make sure you go to Google, download TikTok video without watermark. Okay, very important. So let's just do funny baby compilation. This is hilarious, or something like that. And then hashtag shorts, very important. I also add that to the description. You really don't have to with these, but I do. And then you also want to add in, again, we'll go back to bit.ly right here and take our link to the product page, and then go back here, and we could do like Baby World merchandise, okay? And then paste that in there. And you could also add in like a arrow on keyboard right there, and then go right there, and you can add in like any arrow you want. Okay, so right here, I use this one. A lot of people use this one. It's totally up to you. You just click it and then hit copy, and then you go right there, and there you go. Another way to monetize this, which I would suggest, is getting an affiliate product from ClickBank. Okay, they have tons of like baby sleep products and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna show you how to do that in this video. I've showed it before, but you would go like baby sleep product, whatever it's called, and then you would paste it, and then you would put your bit.ly.com link right there. So those would be your 2 monetization methods right there. Now, the most important thing is I'm not gonna actually upload this video, but you wanna go into your comment once you've posted it, and you wanna paste this into your comment, okay? So basically, let me show you how this works like on one of my videos. All right, so you see in the comments right here, you would post it, right? So you would paste that stuff, and then after you've pasted it, you go right here to these 3 little dots, and then you can hit pin it. Obviously it says unpinned because it's already pinned, but what that will do is people watching YouTube Shorts on the actual Shorts platform, they can't really go to your description if they're on the phone like that. It just doesn't work. You have to like do a bunch of clicks. That's not gonna work, okay? So you wanna post this in your pinned comment, so that way a lot of people, the first thing they do is go to the comments, and then the first thing they're gonna see is your monetization methods. So that's what you wanna do, and you wanna rinse and repeat this process. I guess the last step really is if you wanna go further with this strategy and see how to like start your own channel like this and how to actually like set everything up though. This channel is just a test account. But if you want to learn how to create thumbnails and do more than just this strategy where you can start making longer form video and really multiplying your results, I highly suggest going to nofaceyt.com to check out my beta course, because that shows you how to do everything, and you get access to me in our private community, and you can ask questions. Honestly, the price right now is laughable. Once the last couple modules are finished, it's going way up. So I highly suggest doing that. Go to nofaceyt.com if you want to get access. That's all I got. See you on the next video.